Welcome to this beautiful house located a mere block from the world-famous Rosarito Beach Hotel in breathtaking Mexico. This vacation rental is the perfect getaway for families and couples and is ideal for larger groups. This spacious house welcomes you with its huge and spacious yard. This 4-bedroom house comfortably accommodates up to 20 persons. There are 2 large modern bathrooms inside and an additional 6 outside on the patio. The living room area is tastefully decorated with local artisan furniture and metalwork and has a flat-screen TV, fireplace, and sofa bed to allow you to enjoy your indoor entertainment. Prepare your meals inside, in the modern fully equipped kitchen, or outside on the 5-burner drop-in grill, 6-foot charcoal grill with added convenience of a stove, sink, and island bar. Relax and enjoy those meals in the dining area, inside or outside, on the large patio with several tables and chairs that is perfect for a large party. Let all your worries disappear as you relax in the large 8x10 jacuzzi that accommodates up to 12 persons, or unwind in the swimming pool. The beach is right there within your reach, just a few blocks away, where you can enjoy relaxing scenic walks and all the water sports and attractions on offer. This property's ideal location makes everything within walking distance from the compound. Take a walk to the best restaurants, clubs, and stores. A few activities to engage in include horse, quads, and side-by-side rentals. Enjoy the convenience of the Yellow Cab terminal being 1 block away and the buses running up and down the main boulevard, making everything else easily accessible. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream vacation at this property and experience the best of enchanting Mexico.